Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. As a part of our Sui network tutorials, I will continue with how to mint NFTs and ask for faucet tokens from our Sui wallets using the Sui Testnet. And soon we will have another video about how to use the new applications on the Sui Testnet to increase our chances for a possible airdrop. To see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications, and follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter, Telegram, and Instagram. Now, let's get started. If you watched our previous videos, you should know how to open a Sui wallet, how to request faucet tokens on the DevNet, which requires you to join their Discord channel, and the benefits of the Sui network. However, if you haven't watched our Sui tutorials, I suggest you stop this video and click on the card in the top right corner to watch our Sui tutorials. Let's start with how to request faucet tokens. There are two ways of doing it. You cannot see it on my wallet because I already have faucet tokens for the testnet. But in your case, at the bottom, there will be a button named something like request faucet tokens on the testnet. Once you click on it, you will receive enough faucet tokens to pay the gas fees. The second way is to log in to Bluemove webpage with our Sui wallet and request faucet tokens from here. The crucial part is that you must select Sui Testnet from your wallet network. Remember that we are using the testnet now, not the devnet. The difference is that the testnet is the last stage before the mainnet. So unlike the devnet, anything at this point will remain in your wallet data until the mainnet. You can track your transactions from the activity option. Now that we have requested testnet tokens, we can start minting NFTs from our Sui wallet. There are two ways of doing it. First, you can click on the Mint NFT button to have example NFTs in your wallet. Second, you can click the Sui NFT Mint button to create your NFT. The first way is simple, but here you can name your NFT and add a description. You can add the URL of any image you can find on the internet. For example, I will add some random URL and click the Create button. The faucet tokens are important because as you can see, we have to approve the transactions. Later, I can check my wallet to see my minted NFTs from the NFT option. If you encounter an error during the transaction, you can take a screenshot and share it with the developers on the Sui Discord channel. After all, this is the whole point of using the testnet. You can find the link for their Discord channel below this video. Here on the apps option, there are several applications that we can try. I will also continue with those applications in upcoming videos, but today I will show you how to mint Sui Capys. The project has not finished and therefore there are various bugs you can encounter. I will also make a project review once settled. To claim your Capys, change your wallet network to Sui DevNet, click on My Collection, Capys, and get a free Capy button to approve your transaction from your Sui wallet. The more transactions you make, more chances you will have to find errors. And more you find, you can increase your chances of a possible airdrop. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with upcoming events. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.